Do you have an old utility trailer? You're going to replace the floor in it? Well, watch this video. Man, what a beautiful North Carolina day. Sun is shining. Got a little pollen floating around. But it's a beautiful day. Gorgeous day. Well, I got some wood from Lowe's. I'm going to work on this trailer a little bit, get this wood put down. It's that 5/4 board, decking wood. So, got a little bit of prep work to do. But, get started. There it is. Lowe's. 11 pieces of wood. Going right over there. Got to measure, make sure they all come out the right length. But there it is. Let's get it done. That last piece is going to have to be ripped. I think I might move it closer to the outside. Put it straight down the middle probably. Yeah, I put it straight down the middle. Slide that other one over that way and put it straight down the middle. I'll take and pop a line across where the beams run across the trailer, one side to another. I used to remember what the name of them things were called. I don't even know what the names. Stringers. They ain't stringers. I don't know. Anyway, those supports, I'll run a line across the wood so I have a straight line across, and then get to drilling some holes. I'm sure y'all want to watch all that. But anyway, here we go. Like a glove. There you go. What do you think? Did y'all see it? Like a glove, what I'm talking about, man. Fits right nice. That's right. Now to mark all of it and drill some holes. So we got 2 good batteries. All right, stay tuned. It's a beautiful day, but it's warming up. You know, after you get used to cool weather for a while, when the weather warms up all of a sudden to 80 degrees, it's kind of hot. It's like you got to get up early in the morning on a hot day so you slowly get adjusted to it. When I came outside to go to Lowe's after breakfast and taking a shower and all that good stuff, playing on the phone, answering emails and messages, I finally got out of the house. I think it was 11 o'clock a.m. Yeah, somewhere around 11. I remember looking at it, it was like 11:04. I think I was about heading out the door by that time. So it was already pretty warm out here. But I know a lot of people in different areas who go, 80 degrees, that's nothing, man. Well, it's been in the 60s, and then at night it gets cooler. All of a sudden 80 degrees pops up. Pretty warm. I'm going to blame it on getting old, too. 56 years old, so I just can't take the heat like I used to. I'll be honest with you, I just can't do it. Anyway, I'm going to get back on this. I'll get with y'all in a little bit. Get back with y'all in a little bit. All right, I'm going to switch up. I finished drilling those last few little holes, and then it's going to take a while. I might get tired and just go in the house, and then the video won't be finished. But anyway, these are the screws I used. Does that show it backwards? I think it does. Let me turn this around. All right, see if you can read it like that. That's the screws I used to screw down the floor. We hadn't used them yet. I'm going to demonstrate those to you right now. This is actually what they look like. You see those pretty good? They're long. I mean, that's all I could get. I'd get something shorter, but you know, it's going to be under the trailer, so what difference does it make? Now let's see if I can get these in here without breaking anything. Hope I had the right size drill bit. That went pretty easy. The computer told me a 13/16 bit, so I hope it holds. It's supposed to be a number 3 screwdriver bit, but it's the only one I got, and it don't have a number on it. No, this is a 2. My bad, it does have a number. So it's supposed to be a 3. I don't have a 3. I'm making a 2 work. Make sure I put plenty of pressure down on it. Let me go to first gear, so I ain't trying to go so fast. Countersink a little bit with it. Now, take in mind that I didn't say the way I'm doing it is the correct way. This is just my way. This is what I'm doing. Bit still looks all right. popping, don't stop. I guess you get the gist of it. It's pretty warm out there to me. Getting about lunchtime anyway. I think I might take a break. Anyway, I'll get to finishing those off and I'll get back with y'all later on. Well, there it is in all of its glory. Got the screws done up here. I didn't put none in that row. Got them. I didn't get these back here. And I was going to skip that row there too. But I didn't get these back here. I ran out of screws and my battery kept dying. I had a big drill, a big old heavy duty Bosch drill. And I don't know where it's at. I found a case that it's supposed to be in, but it's not in the case. I have no idea. All the accessories and extra drill bits and stuff are in the case, but for the life of me, I cannot find out what happened to it. I looked in the house, which I knew it wouldn't be in there. Looked in my other barn, it ain't in there. Definitely looked around here as good as I think I could look. I mean, where it went, I have no idea. Heavy duty electric Bosch. I noticed what I did the trailer with years ago, about 12 years ago, but I laid that wood on top of a metal floor that was already rusting real bad. And I knew it wasn't going to last a long time, which I didn't realize I'd have the trailer as long as I've had it. Now, it's older than when I got it, you know, but I know I used that drill when I did all that the first time. That DeWalt. See, the front and the rear of the trailer, it's that thick 1/4 inch angle iron. Well, the front and rear of the trailer is double. So I've got to drill through one and then through the other. So what y'all see me drilling earlier is just one layer. It took that much to get through one. The front and rear, I've got to go through two. And then I take a bigger drill bit and run down in it a little bit, just a little bit bigger, to the first one without going into the second hole. Anyway, I managed to get those few boards up there at the front about halfway over, and that was as much as I could get. But it's really upsetting. I don't know what happened to my drill. I haven't used it in quite a few years. So where it might have went and how it got going, I don't have a clue. Anyway, that's all I got for the trailer right now, putting that floor in. So if anybody decides to put a floor in like that, you can do it the way I did it or do it your way. However, later.